The Nanspring 102-inch blackout curtains are designed to provide a complete blackout experience, making them ideal for ensuring a restful sleep even during the day. Crafted from a rich blend of linen and polyester, these curtains offer a natural textured look that complements a wide range of home decor styles, from modern farmhouse to rustic chic. The inclusion of silver grommets not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also makes installation and sliding hassle-free, adding a touch of elegance to any space. These curtains are highly effective at blocking out sunlight and ultraviolet rays, thanks to their grayish-white backing, which is particularly beneficial for those working night shifts. Beyond their blackout capabilities, the curtains also offer thermal insulation, helping to maintain a comfortable room temperature throughout the year by preventing heat loss in winter and blocking heat in summer. Their easy maintenance, being machine washable and durable, ensures that they remain a practical and stylish addition to your home for years to come.